Hey trendsetters, welcome back to my channel. So we're gonna hop right into this how-to, and this was for my client. I'm just showing you the custom wig that I made her, and she wants a gray patch, side patch on the side of her hair, or you can say skunk patch. And I'm just showing you all that I am putting this into a ponytail. I parted off the side that I wanted to dye in color. And yeah, we're gonna hop right into the products that I will be using. So the product that I will be using, the line, is the Matrix line, and I'm using the Light Master in the level 8, and I am going to use the Matrix 40 volume developer because I am trying to lift it as high as I possibly can. And I'm going to tell y'all, I actually love the line Matrix, and that's due to the fact that it's very soft on the hair. For some particular reason, out of all the lighteners I've used, I love Matrix and BW2, Kaleido Colors, the L'Oreal. It's cool, but I noticed that when you use that product, it makes the hair brittle. And also, you know how lighteners can be strong when you're mixing that developer with it kind of hits your nose something different. So the Matrix is a little bit easier on your nose. It's not as strong as the other lighteners, but you always should wear your mask just because you don't want to inhale those fumes. And yeah, y'all, I'm just showing y'all how much I'll be using. I didn't put too many scoops in there due to the fact that I'm only doing part of the frontal. Part of the frontal, and then I am going to just pretty much take that solution and put it on the strands, and you kind of want it to be at a liquidy consistency so that it can cover it, because you don't want it like too thick and then your stuff will come out blotchy. So yeah, y'all just continue watching, and I will show you all how I apply it on my wig and how it turns out. So now you will see me use the toner. I am using the T18, and I'm also going to use the 050 Violet. And this is exactly what you need, y'all, if y'all was trying to do any type of silver gray look. So I'm going to also use that 20 volume developer in the Wella color charm as well, because I wanted to match the products that I was using just to get a better outcome of how the color would turn out. So what I'm going to do first, you guys, I am going to do the 1-part toner to 2-part developer. And as you see, I'm pouring in the T18 first. I didn't mix it together, but it's fine. You can mix it together if you want to. I kind of wanted to take it slow just to see how it will come out. So then I am going to take that developer and pour 2 parts into it and put it in the bowl and mix it up. And I left this on for about 15 minutes. And then after that, I went back and put the 050 the same exact way as I put the T18, but I let it sit on for at least 30 minutes. So you will see in these next coming clips exactly what I did, how I applied it, and how it came out after it finished. So y'all just stay to the end so y'all can see the final results. together. So this is how the wig came out. As you can see, this is the side part of the gray area that I made, silverish gray, with little highlights of the, you know, original hair color. And then we are turning it because I have one curled it. And yes, it will look good either on the side or down the middle. So if you put it down the middle, it's kind of like that peekaboo side gray that you can see. I only did the front part. My client didn't want the back all the way down in the back done. So we just put a little bit in the front just to give her a little edge. And yeah, y'all, if you want to have your own custom wig, go to my website at www.rawtrendsboutique.com. Order your wigs today. And y'all smash that like button if you like this hair tutorial. So yeah, y'all, I want to tell you I love you, trendsetters, and I'll see you soon.